Hello guys, welcome in another video. Today we are going to show you Rumble V2. Now, let's start the video. This is the M1, you can hold it infinitely, and also it stuns enemies, but the damage was not too good. For the Z move, it has 3 versions you can use. When you hold, the version changes, and it costs you more charges from the lightning. The cool thing is when you don't catch your enemy, it will pounce on him immediately. The X move, it was good for combos, but it can't hit players when they're on air. The C move, it has the same features as X move, but it can hit players in the air. The V move, it was so cool, it has a massive range. And you can make the range even more bigger, if you hold it. The F move, it was cool, to take boosted dash, but not good in damage. Now for the special attacks, X plus Z. To do it you need to click X and Z in the air. Special attack, X plus Z. To do it you need to click X and Z in the air. That's it guys, don't forget like and subscribe, see you in the next video.